Hi friends, usually to solve this, we write 8 divided by 2. 2 plus 2 is 4 square divided by 1 by 2. 8 divided by 2, 16 divided by 1 by 2. 8 divided by 32 divided by 1 by 2. 8 divided by 32, 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. But this is incorrect. Some people might say I should divide 1 by 2 from 32 first. So this will become 8 divided by 64. That means your answer is 1 by 8, which is also incorrect. So let's see the correct usage of PEMDAS or BODMAS method. In both cases, first priority is given to parenthesis or bracket, second priority to exponential or order, third, in PEMDAS multiplication comes before division, in BODMAS division before multiplication. But remember, multiplication and division are of same rank. The order we need to follow here is from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction are of same rank. Just follow left to right technique. Now let's see the correct method of this. So 8 divided by 2, first solve for parenthesis 4 square divided by 1 by 2. Next solve for exponential 8 divided by 2, 16 divided by 1 by 2. This 2 bracket 16 is nothing but 2 into 16 divided by 1 by 2. Since all are division and multiplication symbols, so use the method from left to right. 8 divided by 2, 4 into 16 divided by 1 by 2. This will become 64 divided by 1 by 2 and your answer is 128. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel.